Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download playlists from YouTube. So actually guys, you just need to go into these three lines that's located on the top left of the YouTube home page, and after that you will need to go into the playlist, right? Then all you gotta do right here is to click on view for full playlist. Right, so right now what you all need to do is to click on download, and as a note everybody, to download it you will need to get the membership and the subscription of YouTube. So from where you can get it, you will need to click on the profile picture that's located on the top right, and right here as you can see we have the purchases and memberships. So just click on it, and right here you will need to choose, either you will go with the premium plan or music plan. So for example I will go with the premium plan. So right here you will need just to go click on try premium free for 1 month, and right here you will choose the plan that fits you, then just go with try 1 month, right? And then all you gotta do is to fill the blanks and to click on buy. So actually guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.